Assalamualaikum students. Third class, worksheet 6, science ma'am. First bit hard words. First bit hard words. Yes ma'am. Hard words. Okay. First word given here. Creatures. Okay. Creatures. Feeding. Front teeth. Hole. Sticky tongue. Next. Chewing. Okay. Yes, all of you repeat along with me. Creature. Creatures, creatures, feeding, 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 front teeth, front, front, teeth, teeth, front teeth, hole, hole, sticky tongue, sticky, tongue, sticky tongue. Next, chewing, chewing. Okay. So here, front teeth, it helps to bite leaves and grass. Okay. Front teeth helps to bite leaves and grass. Okay. Sticky tongue, it short it shoots out its tongue to catch insects. Okay. Frog use. Okay ma'am. Next bit. Next, second bit what given ma'am? Read and write. Okay. So here definition given ma'am. Read and write. Okay. Read and write. First definition here what given ma'am? Herbivorous. Herbivorous means what ma'am? Animals that only eat plants are called herbivorous. Okay. Animals that only eat plants are called herbivorous. Are called herbivorous. Are called herbivorous. Okay. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous. They eat only plants. Okay. Only plants. सिर्फ plants को ही खाते हैं animals. Okay. They eat only plants. For example, cow, goat, horse. Okay. Cow, goat, horse. Best example for herbivorous animals. Second one, carnivorous. Carnivorous means some animals. Okay. Some animals depend on flesh and meat. Flesh and meat. They are called carnivorous. Carnivorous. Okay. Carnivorous means what? Definition. Some animals depend on flesh and meat. So they are called carnivorous. Means some animals depend both flesh and meat. Means ये flesh खाने वाले जो भी animals है ना, flesh खाने वाले animals, meat खाने वाले animals, हाँ, उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Carnivorous. Okay, carnivorous animals. ठीक है? जो सिर्फ गोश्त खाते हैं. Third, some other, third definition ma, some other animals eat both plant and flesh. Both plant and flesh. So they are called omnivorous. Omnivorous. Okay. So some other animals eat both plants and flesh. Okay, plants and flesh, they are called omnivorous. Okay, omnivorous. For example, omnivorous, crow, bear. Okay, carnivorous example, lion, tiger. Omnivorous animals means they eat both plants and flesh. Okay, plants भी खाते हैं और ये flesh भी eat करते. ठीक है, plant और flesh दो भी खाते. तो ऐसे animals को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Omnivorous. Okay. Yes, once again repeat all of you. Animals that only eat plants are called herbivorous. Some animals depend on flesh and meat, so they are called carnivorous. Next, some other animals eat both plants and flesh, so they are called omnivorous. Okay. Now next bit. Now next bit. Fill in the missing letter. Fill in the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters. So first here what given ma? H dash R B dash dash O dash dash. Yes. Next second C dash R N dash dash O dash E dash. Next third one O dash N dash dash O dash E S. Next fourth one F dash dash D I dash G. Next fifth F dash O N dash T dash dash T H. Okay. Next, sixth one, G dash A W dash N dash. So here fill the missing letters. Herbivorous. Okay. Carnivorous. Next, omnivorous. Feeding. Front teeth. Next, snapping. Okay. Fill the missing letters now. Okay. Herbivorous. Herbivorous. Next, carnivorous. 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 Next, omnivorous. 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 Next, feeding. 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 Next, front teeth. Front. Front. Teeth. Front teeth. Next, gnawing. Nawing. Okay. Gnawing. Okay. So, like that, complete all, fill the missing letters in your worksheet, in your notebook also. Okay. Now, next bit. Next bit, ma'am. Use the help box to write the group to which they belong. Okay. Already in your worksheet, box given, ma'am. Okay. Box. In your box, some clues given in your box. Some clues given. With the help of clues, complete the filling the blanks. Okay. Carnivorous. Carnivorous. Swallow. Next, omnivorous. Next, suck. Next, herbivorous. Okay. So first here, what given my question? So first question, what given, ma'am? Cow, horse, cow, horse, goat. Cow, horse, goat. Second question, what given, ma'am? Lion, fox, tiger. Next, ma'am. Snake, frog, earthworm. Okay. Earthworm. Next, bee, butterfly. Next, mosquito. Okay. So with the help of clues, complete your blanks. Okay. Here clues given, Nama. Okay. Here clues given, na. Carnivorous, swallow, omnivorous, herbivorous. With the help of clues, You complete your planks. Okay. First, what given? Cow, herd, goat. Cow, herd, goat. Belong to which group, ma? Herbivorous, omnivorous, carnivorous. Yes, they belong to herbivorous. So write here herbivorous. Next, lion, fox, tiger. They belong to which group? Carnivorous, omnivorous, herbivorous. So they belong to carnivorous. Write on here carnivorous. Now next, snake, frog, earthworm. So they use swallow, suck. Which method they use? Which method? Swallow. So write down here SWALLOW. Okay, swallow. Next, bees, butterfly, mosquitoes. They suck. So here your worksheet 6 completed. Complete in your notebooks also. Okay. Thank you.